guys, it's Kiki Cola, and today is the aftermath of all the rain we had in my previous video. Yeah, we were just doing some of our laundry because our washer and dryer broke, so we do it old-fashioned way, and our hose is leaking. Like right here, I don't think you guys can see it, but like right over here, it's dribbling. It really sucks because then we have to go. And I'm gonna get the last spurts of the water at my sister. So that's gonna be fun. I have a little cold. I just sprayed myself in the face a little. Gotta come inside. I'm thirsty. There's dirt in it. I can't believe my sister just said that. Well, she says it all the time, but dang, Daniel. So I'm I'm going inside because it's starting to rain a little. Look at our stairs. And I am wearing no shoes. Look at my ugly feet. I know, it sucks. So I'm just going inside. Come on, girls. Come on, Callie. My little sister loves to lock the door on us. Come on in, please let us in. We may have to claw through my window. Come on, Callie. It's gonna start storming. Start storming again. And yeah. My previous video, there was a storm happening. Automatically got windy, and I had to run off screen for a little bit. I didn't even have the time to pause it. I ran off screen for a little bit to see what was happening and why the door had opened. And it was not 3 a.m., so it shouldn't have happened. The wind got so strong it opened my door. No joke. Hang on. I'm trying to get through my room. So yeah, that's what happened basically. Come on, Callie. Can't get through the window. So, oh my god, it was so scary. My room's a disaster. This is my window. Broken and rusty. But we're fixing it soon. It's seriously raining so bad. Fine, bye. I love you. I'm gonna go inside. Come on. Guys, want to have a staring contest? Okay, let's have a staring contest. I'm just kidding, you guys already lost. Pay attention to that inside my window. Come on! No, you don't! No. How can anyone trust you with a hose? No! Get inside! Get to my window!